All right.
I don't know what you look for, but
Well, just you know, old stuff. I see you had some classic cars in here.
yeah,
So
there's some old one
yeah,
along the fence. We all got the attached.
yeah, I see that. You got a ramp over there. Yeah.
Are you buying car? Or?
Nah, I just run my YouTube channel, DanoLive.
This is a Nova.
Yeah.
So I buy ready to paint this one.
Right. Yeah, see that's about a 68 to 70 Nova. And an old-fashioned car trailer. Yeah. Look at that. How about that? Looks like it's been being worked on. Look at that. We got a Lincoln. A lot of guys that are in a Lincoln club, they like that. That's for sure. Look at that. Look at that chassis. Woo! They got a, looks like a 70s Oldsmobile. How about that? Somebody might want to buy that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Of course, it's a convertible. A Mustang. Look at that. That's cool. Be a project for somebody. A late model steering column in there, automatic. Mustang. Look at that. Somebody could make that look brand new, I'm sure.
Yeah. Bad condition.
Yeah. Old trucks. Top Notch. That's where we're at. Top Notch Carry LLC, Pahrump, Nevada. One of their trucks from back in the day. Got a Econoline flatbeds. Another old Dodge truck. And that's about it.
Yeah.
Got a lot of stuff over there, but look how big this lard is. Wow. Cool. Anything you want to tell the audience? No. We're shy here. Where you go? I'm going to do another video and add on to this up front. There's a Hudson Hornet and a Duster and a hot rod and a few more things. So, DanoLive, Pahrump, Nevada.